How to add public stories on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add public stories to Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just open the camera screen and there you can just take a photo, record a video that you want to upload. And here after capturing, then here you can just tap on send to button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here on the next page, what you can do is you can just tap on my stories public option. And now here, once you're done selecting it, you can just tap on send icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you do that, then you will add or you will be able to add public stories on Snapchat. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.